In a sprawling and meticulously articulated analysis broadcasted on Bloomberg TV, Douglas Lamont, the distinguished CEO of Tony's Chocolonely, embarked on an exhaustive examination of the multifaceted forces propelling the ongoing cocoa crisis into ever more dire straits. With incisive clarity, Lamont peeled back the layers of complexity shrouding this crisis, shining a spotlight on a pivotal yet often overshadowed aspect: the endemic underpayment of farmers in the very crucibles of cocoa cultivation. Against the backdrop of a tumultuous year for the cocoa market, characterized by vertiginous price escalations that breached the historic $11,000 per ton threshold in New York, Lamont navigated through the intricate nexus of factors precipitating this unprecedented volatility. At the heart of the matter lay the calamitous impact of adverse weather patterns on cocoa harvests in West Africa, the lifeblood of global cocoa production. Yet, paradoxically, even amidst this price surge, the farmers in the cocoa powerhouse nations of Ivory Coast and Ghana found themselves shackled by a grim reality: government-mandated prices that stubbornly trailed far behind the prevailing global market rates. The repercussions of this disjunction between global prices and government-set rates reverberated throughout the cocoa supply chain, entrenching farmers in a cycle of poverty and stagnation. Denied the means to reinvest in their farms and modernize outdated infrastructure, these farmers faced insurmountable barriers to improving productivity and sustainability, perpetuating a vicious cycle of diminishing returns and constrained output. Lamont's incisive analysis pinpointed the systemic underinvestment in equitable compensation for farmers as the linchpin of the cocoa industry's woes. Despite a modest moderation in cocoa futures following their mid-April zenith, prices remained stratospheric, having surged by a staggering 70% over the course of the year. While gestures such as incremental increases in farmer remuneration by cocoa-producing governments were ostensibly well-intentioned, they fell conspicuously short of providing farmers with a lifeline commensurate with global market benchmarks. In response to this clarion call to action, Lamont exhorted industry stakeholders to embark on a collective journey towards substantive reform. This imperative entailed transcending piecemeal palliatives in favor of systemic interventions that fostered enduring prosperity and resilience among cocoa farmers. Central to this transformative vision was a paradigm shift towards investing in farmer-centric initiatives aimed at enhancing productivity, promoting sustainability, and fortifying the socio-economic fabric of cocoa farming communities. In encapsulating the nuanced interplay of economic, social, and environmental dynamics shaping the cocoa landscape, Lamont's impassioned plea resonated as a powerful clarion call for solidarity and collective resolve. It underscored the imperative of transcending the status quo and forging a path towards a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for cocoa farming communities worldwide.